Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for February 2020. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog Sweet Life Housewife. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Let's get started and see what's in here. First off, I have this Bare Minerals. This is supposed to be like a hydrating in-between treatment that you put on in between your toner and moisturizing step to give you extra hydration, which I can definitely use, especially in the winter. We're going to London next week. So I'm going to take this with me because I know I'll be able to use it over there. Another thing that came in this box is Super Beauty mask, and it's made with Jarrett tea. It's a sheet mask, and so I'm looking forward to using that. Okay, so this is the Appeal lipstick. It has this sort of clear, it's hard to see because it's clear, but clear top cover, and then it's this pretty gold tube, and it's a really pretty color. See if you can see this. Sort of a nude rose sort of a color, and it feels really creamy also. It's a nice formula, so I probably will definitely wear that, actually. Leaf eye cream, and it is supposed to be made with an herbal formula. It's supposed to be really hydrating for the eye area, and I think this is probably another thing I can take on my trip with me. And then this Retinol 24 is also a sample size, and this is a nighttime moisturizer that's supposed to have 24 hours worth of hydration, which who couldn't use that this time of year? This box is filled with hydrating things. It's like they made it for me. And then Wander After Hours Highlighter. This is also a makeup, and I read in the thing that the lady just was putting it on with her finger and then on her face. So that's pretty. I like that. And I like that you don't really need, to use a brush. But if you prefer a brush, it actually comes with this nice brush, and it feels really, really soft. It's like a massage if you put it on your face. I love it. And this is NYX or NYX. Not sure. I've heard it pronounced both ways. But it feels really nice and sturdy, but it's not too heavy. And I think I might add this to my travel collection because I've been trying to upgrade my brushes that I travel with since we travel so much. So that'll come in handy too. And I think that's everything that came in the box. So is that right? Yep. Well, I hope that you will like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.